So one of our learning targets from Lesson 6.1 is to just know about the set of complex numbers, which we'll learn are numbers that are in the form either a plus bi or a minus bi. And then also to be able to take those numbers and add and subtract them. So in this first example that I want to do with you, I want you to notice that I have a number, a plus bi, here, 4 plus 3i, and another number, a plus bi, 5 plus 9i here. And I want to be able to add these numbers. Now what makes these complex numbers is that they have a real part and they have an imaginary part. The real part is the number 4 in the first complex number, and the imaginary part is the number 3 in the first complex number. The real part in the second is 5, and the imaginary part in the second is 9. We'll talk about the value of those imaginary parts here in a moment. So when we're adding complex numbers, we take the real parts and we add them together. So we're going to take 4 plus 5 and we'll have 9. And then we take the imaginary parts and add them together. So we'll